In India, every celebration had its own ritual, its own language, and its own legacy. And today we have chosen dance as an expression to welcome you. In India, we express our joys through dance. As a trained classical dancer myself, dance has been my lifelong passion, and that has given birth to the Nitab Keshapari Cultural Center. So it gives me great pleasure to present to you a vibrant dance form, and the name of this short dance ballet is Nritya Sapta, a conference of dance